Hi, my name is Christina Burris with Sony Digital Imaging. This is the Sony Handycam 4K camcorder that we just announced here at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's the FDR AX100. It's built with the Carl Zeiss Barreau-Tazar lens with f2.8, 12 times optical zoom and 18 times clear image zoom, an XMR CMOS sensor, which is a large 1-inch sensor. It's the first time to introduce this into the market, as well as a Beyond X processor. It shoots in 3 codecs, which is XAVCS, AVCHD, and MP4. So it's really versatile. It's actually retailing for $2,000. We always say it's 4K for 2K. So it's really going to appeal to the film enthusiast and the up-and-coming filmmaker as a student. On the top here you see an MI shoe, which is going to allow you to attach different accessories to your product, such as lights and external microphones. You've got the Carl Zeiss Barreau-Tazar lens right there. This is a very beautiful 3.5-inch LCD, which is fully articulating as well, along with a very beautiful OLED EVF in the back. Onboard microphone, 5.1 channel surround sound.
But it's 38, 40 by 20. So essentially, where there's one and every time you look.
What's really cool about this camcorder is that you can control a lot of manual control. So you've got iris, gain, shutter speed, those types of things. And you've got a dial here in the front of the camera, as well as down here. Wi-Fi and NFC is also built into this camcorder, which allows you to turn your mobile device, Android as well as iOS, into a remote viewing as well as control device. It's really interesting because the camcorder is very small, as you can see here, so you can actually rig it up in very many different ways and control it remotely. Optical steady shot image stabilization is built in, so you're going to get really smooth looks, almost dolly-like, without the use of a Steadicam. There is no onboard memory, but you can expand it with regular sized memory sticks as well as SD cards. You can control white balance as well as night shot with this camera. There is an audio in here as well as a headset, rather. HDMI out. 3 ND filters, and the ability to switch between manual and autofocus. You've got the zoom rocker on the top, very convenient, as well as a large photo button, allowing you to take 12 megapixel high resolution images. Now the camcorder shoots in XAVCS at a very high bit rate, 50 megabits per second at 30p, which is very important for the independent filmmaker. And this is the FDR AX100.
Carrying the 1-inch backward CMOS sensor in this, so significantly larger sensor than we've had in your CCTV application. More information data. Oh, okay. Let's see, what do you have? We're going to need a bigger table. Just unveiled.
It's a good problem to have.